Okay, today we have a completely PC-free method where we explain step by step how you can recover your device if it has a screen lock and a forgotten Gmail account. As you can see here, our device is completely locked. What we did was format it, and when our device restarted, it was left with this lock. What we're going to do now is connect to a Wi-Fi network to begin the recovery process. We'll connect to our Wi-Fi network, and once we're connected, we'll navigate to where the screen lock appears, along with the forgotten Google account. Also, for those who want to try other completely different methods without a PC and different methods with a PC, we'll leave them in the video description. We'll also be leaving all those methods in the first pinned comment so that those who always want to try other video tutorials can do so in that description. From the video, also in the first pinned comment. Well, having said all that, then let's get to where that lock and that Google account appear to begin the recovery process. Today we're going to use one of the easiest and fastest ways to access our device. In this video tutorial, we're not going to skip ahead because some people always tell us that we cut the video tutorials, and we're going to make it a little longer so you can see that in this video tutorial. We're not going to cut it. We're going to leave it as is so that you can also do it and recover your device if you also have that screen lock. Also, for those of you who are always attentive to our video tutorials, we would like you to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, activate the notification bell, leave a like, and leave a good comment. We also have the YouTube community section, which allows you to subscribe. What would be the benefit of that subscription? We would be answering any questions or comments you write to us. Being subscribed would be a priority to that community. We will also be providing any tools or addressing any concerns. We will be sending any information, and the other thing is that we will be publishing the videos in advance so that you can see them first. We'll be publishing them in advance. You will be publishing some videos a few days before. First, there are weeks beforehand so that, and after that week, we'll be publishing it on YouTube. Okay, let's wait a few more seconds. This will take us to this section. Here, we'll see the following options. The first option is to see the screen lock and also the Google account. For those who might not remember the screen lock but do remember the Google account, this would be the easiest way to recover your device. Adding the screen lock and the Google account is one of the easiest ways to recover it. Also, for those who might not remember the Google account, it gives you the option to add your phone number. If you have the phone number you added when you created the Google account, it also gives you the opportunity to recover it from there. We're going to click here where it says "Do not copy," and it will take us to this section. Then we're going to click here where it says To use a Google account, we're going to click here, use my Google account. And then it will take us to this section where it will allow us to add the account. For those people who don't know the account or the phone number, they're going to click here on Forget. They're going to click on Forget. Then they're going to write this here and then here too, here. 2. Now what we're going to do is click Next, Next. We're going to do it for 30 seconds. Once those 30 seconds have passed, we'll be going back to apply this recovery process. Here we are at the final point where we're going to be able to access our device in an easy, fast, and uncomplicated way. For those people who want to see other different video tutorials, you can see them in the video description and in the first pinned comment. As we can see here, we got this error. Well, don't worry, it's the first time I've gotten this error. So what we're going to do now is restart it. We're going to restart it. We're going to wait until it takes us directly to the home screen. Well, once it has restarted, we're going to click here. We're going to click here on Next, and now what we're going to do is, it's getting here to this point where the Wi-Fi network is. We're going to tap here where it says Add New Network. We click where it says Add New Network. We tap here. Hold it. Click the gear icon. Tap here on Language. Tap Language. Tap Update. Go back. Tap here on Reset and reset these two options. We reset these two options. Now that they're completely reset, we go back, 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 and here we tap Next. As we can see, after restarting our device, these shortcuts were enabled because they weren't there initially. Remained these icons. Now we see the padlock. Now, how are we going to recover our device? Well, we'll recover it from this point. That's what we're going to do. We'll go from this point until we get to where the screen lock appears. Gmail account appears. Forgotten. That's why we always recommend watching the video tutorial step by step so you don't miss any details and can troubleshoot and recover your device. For those who regularly watch our video tutorials, please leave a comment telling us what device you have, which model it worked for, and which model it didn't work for, so we can bring you a new tutorial. Video tutorial. Now we're going to click here where it says, Don't copy. This will take us to the screen lock screen. Here, we're going to click where it says, Use my Google account. While we're here, where it says, Use my Google account, we're going to do the following. Wait. We're going to click back. We'll leave it there. So, what do we have to do? If your phone has a SIM card inserted, then what I recommend is removing that SIM card. After you remove that SIM card, you're going to disconnect your Wi-Fi network and reconnect it. We're going to wait for that network to disconnect. It looks like, as we can see, it's already disconnected. We're going to click here where it says, Don't copy. Now it will take us here to Google Services. We're click Accept. We're going to click Skip. We still see the padlock there at the top. We're going to click Next. We're going to click Skip. We're going to click Next, and here we're going to click Finish. The padlock is going to disappear. It's just disappeared. The padlock icon. Well, if that's your case, you've already recovered your device this way. Now what I recommend is that you subscribe to our channel, activate the bell, give it a like and leave a good comment.